this snippet is about adding some shingles to my lighthouse, and you would do the same sort of technique if you wanted to add, say, feathers on a rooster or a bird, of a large nature, of course. So I'll put lots and lots of glue down here because I need to build it up because I want them to overlap. So I'm always generous with the glue because I don't want anything to fall off. And then, of course, on the back as well, and then we can sort of position it as we want it to be positioned. So now I'm just going to place it where I roughly want it on the top, so it's not glued to anything. And now I can press it into place. So I'm shivering it over a bit. So I've got my grout line here, overlaying it on the top of this one, pressing down there first, then down to here. Because the next one is going to overlay that one as well, because I wanted them to look a bit like shingles. So let's do the next one here, and then I'll do that one there as well. And of course I don't want this to be lined up with that. So we'll move that over, pop it down at this end, and then just tap it gently into place. Because I don't want grout lines going up the in a straight line. Underneath end, straighten it up. We can see my guideline there. Bring it down a bit. So here are the shingles all done. Where I've had little spaces that things don't really fill in, I've added these little bits and pieces here, which are basically these really good, I don't know what colour they're actually called, but I've just chopped them in half, laid them along like brickwork or a little window or some eaves here, and just fill in the spaces. So everything works. I'm pretty happy with that. Now I'm going to go and put the rocks on.